The TradingView indicators I'm about to share with you in this video are so precise that they almost never give false signals. Just take a look at this beginner-friendly yet powerful indicator that gives perfect buy and sell signals with profit targets and actual signals to re-enter trades so that you can catch even more of that trend. What about this magic tool with a win ratio of over 90%? Can you believe it? Keep watching, because this video is packed with tools like these that will take your trading skills to the next level. Let's get started. The first indicator on our list is called Future Trend Channel by Chart Prime. Imagine having the power to spot trends before they fully unfold. That's exactly what this indicator does. It can be used for short time frames, like 5 and 15 minutes, as well as for longer ones, like 4 hours and daily. The magic happens when the trend is identified. Green for a rising market, orange for a falling one, and neutral when the momentum slows. Perfect for eliminating trades during market consolidation. But here's where it gets exciting. These channels don't just track price movements, they also project where prices are headed next. I'm not kidding. The Future Trend Channel predicts price movement up to 50 bars ahead, giving you a roadmap for where the market could go next. And let me tell you, these predictions are super accurate. But wait, there's more. This tool doesn't just stop at predicting future price. It also gives you momentum-based color shifts, signaling when the market is gaining or losing strength. Plus, it gives you trend confirmation signals. Green diamonds for uptrends and orange diamonds for downtrends. Your cue to jump in with confidence. One of the most accurate strategies is to enter a long or short trade on a continuation signal. You see, early trend shift signals are also quite accurate, but to minimize risk, I suggest waiting for a second signal in the same direction after a consolidation. This will ensure an accurate entry. Traders, get ready because the next indicator on my list will leave you speechless. This tool is called Strategy Builder Plus by Chart Prime. With this indicator, you can build any trading strategy you can imagine. Can you believe that? What if I told you that you can fine-tune your long and short conditions in seconds and get instant backtesting results over months or even years? This saves you so much time and effort. What truly blows my mind is that this tool has 15 different indicators embedded in it. You can literally choose which one to activate to improve the strategy's win ratio, total profit, and maximum drawdown. All right, enough talk. Let's actually build a 90% accurate strategy for trading Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame. First things first, open the indicator settings. Set your wallet balance to $1,000, increase the leverage to 10, and lock in a base trade value of 100. Now, here's a little kicker. Enable the reinvest option and leave it at 20%. Scroll down and check the counterattack function. Now it's time to work on those long conditions. We're going with the prophecy signal as our base, paired with a bullish trend. Now comes the fun part, signal filters. First up, we're activating the quantum reactor with a bullish trend set to slow speed on the daily time frame. Next, let's enable the trend assistant, locking it into a bullish trend type. Finally, flip on the oscillator reversal and set it to a bullish reversal. In simple terms, a signal to buy is valid and displayed on the chart only if all the indicators enabled confirm the entry. Forget about the times when you had to check all confirmation indicators manually by spending hours in front of the screen. Okay, now for the short conditions. Here's where we bring in the heavy artillery. Start by enabling trend signals with a sell type and sensitivity set to 12. Then, activate the bearish signal quantum reactor set to fast. And just like that, your short conditions are set in stone. The next step is to set the take profit and stop loss settings. Leave the long TP as is. It's already dialed in perfectly. For the long SL, switch to price percentage and set it to 3%. For the short SL, adjust the ATR to 3. With these tweaks, the strategy is ready to fire on all cylinders. And now, the moment of truth. The results. This strategy didn't just perform, it smashed. I'm talking a 91% accuracy rate across 104 trades. The profit factor? A solid 6.5, with total profits hitting a staggering 106%. Even better, the maximum drawdown barely nudged past 10%, making this strategy as safe as it is powerful. Want to test it in the live market? Click the link in the description and get the Strategy Builder Plus risk-free. Be quick though, the deal is about to expire. All right, let's move on to the next indicator on my list, Trend Trader Remastered. Imagine having a trading tool that makes catching trends feel like a walk in the park. Meet Trend Trader Remastered. This exceptional indicator takes everything you know about the parabolic SAR and brings it to the next level, merging it with Bill Williams's fractal analysis to deliver spot-on buy and sell signals, as well as perfect take profit and re-entry points. Here's the magic. It's not just about catching trends, it's about catching them at the right moment. The enhanced parabolic SAR gives you crystal clear entry signals, so you can step into a trend with confidence. But it doesn't stop there. The Bill Williams fractals throw in a double punch, giving you precise take profit signals and perfect re-entry opportunities once those profits are locked in. And here's where it gets even better. Instead of just one take profit signal, Trend Trader Remastered dishes out multiple progressive take profit levels. This helps you ride trends longer and maximize your gains without second guessing. Let's say the indicator produces a buy signal. You open a trade and set the stop loss at the green line. Once you receive a take profit signal, you move the stop loss to break even and take 20% of the position off. At the next TP signal, you take 30% of your position off, securing another chunk of the trend, and so on. When the indicator produces a re-entry signal, you open a new long position and manage it in the same way. This type of money management is super effective in both trending and ranging market. Try it out. Next up on my list is an indicator called Target Trend by Big Beluga. What if you had a powerful tool that not only helps you spot the perfect entry points, but also automatically calculates your stop loss and profit targets every single time? That's exactly what the Target Trend indicator brings to the table. This game-changing trend-following tool is here to make your trading decisions easier, faster, and way more accurate. Here's the magic. Target Trend uses adaptive simple moving average bands to detect when the trend is shifting, giving you real-time updates on where the market is heading. When a trend change happens, it doesn't leave you hanging. The system instantly drops an entry signal, complete with arrows to guide you in the right direction. Furthermore, it calculates your stop loss too, so you can set it up with confidence, whether the trend is heading up or down. What's even cooler? You can set 3 different target levels to lock in your profits according to your strategy. And as the price moves, the system adapts, keeping you in the game and always ready to make your next move. It's like having a real-time trading assistant right on your chart. When your target is hit, you'll see it confirmed with a green check mark. If your stop loss is triggered, it's clearly displayed with a red X, and the line becomes dashed, signaling that the trade is closed. It's clear, intuitive, and designed to keep you focused on the most important thing: the trend. With the next indicator on my list, you will read the market like never before, anticipating trends, filtering out noise, and making smart trades with precision. Introducing the adaptive Kalman trend filter by Zierman. This precise tool shows you not just the current trend, but also its strength. For instance, when the filter is green, you're in a bullish trend. When it turns red, it's time to pay attention to the bears. With real-time insights into market oscillations, you'll know when a trend is gaining momentum, and more importantly, when it's losing steam. How can you use it in practice, you might ask? Let's say the price is trending upwards, which is confirmed by the green color of the filter. Suddenly, the trend weakens, and the price pulls back into the Kalman trend band. Your next move? Look for the bullish trend to regain momentum again. Once the reading reaches 100%, a long entry can be initiated. Perfect strategy that wins almost every time. Finally, let's reveal the last indicator. This tool is called ICT Judas Swing by Flux Charts. This tool is a scalper's dream, specifically designed for the 1-minute time frame, with a winning ratio that can sometimes reach an astonishing 100%. But how is this even possible? Let's dive into the secret sauce behind this incredible accuracy. The magic lies in the ICT Judas Swing strategy, a method that looks for a liquidity grab right around the New York 9:30 a.m. session and pairs it with a fair value gap to confirm entry. This strategy taps into the hidden movements of smart money, capitalizing on their liquidity hunts to predict the next big move in the market. Here's how it works. First, the indicator identifies the New York session from 9:30 to 9:45 and marks the most critical liquidity zones, those high and low pivots that smart money is looking to target. Buy-side liquidity zones are found using high pivots, and sell-side liquidity zones are marked by low pivots. When there's a break in these zones during the 9:30 to 9:45 window, It signals a liquidity grab by the big players in the market. But the real genius happens next. After this liquidity grab, the price is expected to reverse, moving in the opposite direction. And that's where the fair value gap comes in. For confirmation, if there's a buy-side liquidity grab, the indicator looks for a bearish FVG, signaling that it's time to sell. Conversely, a sell-side liquidity grab triggers a bullish FVG, telling you to buy. Once the strategy spots this setup, the indicator fires off a buy or sell signal with a stop loss and take profit target, helping you act on these lightning-fast opportunities. Definitely add it to your arsenal. Traders, if you found this video useful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more indicators like these in the future.